Hey guys, this is Michael Alexander with Coinsider. Today we have another quick charts presentation. It is May 30th evening time, um, going over Los Angeles time because New York is already in the AM. So it's about 10 p.m. Los Angeles time. And we have three analysts. If you're not familiar with quick charts, what we do is we find the top analyst and we do the research and we put their forecast all in one page to save you time and research, because we understand it takes a lot of time to research. So we have it all in one page. We have the first part, which is the quick charts, and we have the second part, which is the candle charts, which gives you their actual charts from the analysts themselves. So let's just jump into the first part, which is just major key areas to look for in price points. You want to look at these lines here from the different analysts here, the dotted lines. These are key price areas, which I'll go over below. The 7152, which is a major fib line of the current move up from 7052 area. Then we have the 7558, which is another high that recently happened the other day, and 8300 is another major area. And each analyst is a different color. There's a few different price points for each analyst. So the green has going this way and towards this direction, intersecting here at the 7558. The blue has a few different directions, and the red just have one direction right now. So as you can see, we're going towards this area with a few of the analysts towards 8300. We're going up, assuming we cross this marker here with the green, and we can also go downwards as well. And with the blue also up, and conditional, we can go to this line here, and if we cross it, to go down. So that's just a basic idea of price movement, key price areas to look at in this quick charts. Now let's go into the candle charts from the analysts themselves and review what they said. So again, we have the chart guys, and what they did. Let's go up to the actual chart for the chart guys. The chart guys is in green. They said that the 7558 area is a major area to break, and it could signify us going up more, because this was a previous high. I believe they mentioned it was a 4-hour chart, or we could actually be going down. If we go down to this area, we could actually be going down and testing lower lows as well. So that's another direction we go. The lower lows was about 70.52, so we could go below that 70.52. That was the chart guys. And then we have financial freedom, which just mentions that we have this box that we could be going into. We could have kind of a sideways action this next week, and the next following week we could have an up move. He mentioned end of June situation, and then where we could actually be turning. But this box signifies a few things. It signifies the moving average, it signifies a Fibonacci level, about 0.5. He gives about a $8,500 area there. And also it's the top of this descending triangle right here. But again, he's overall bearish, Nasir from Financial Freedom, and just sees these as the final targets. This one first, this one then, this one next. And then we have Crypto AMD, where he just sees us that we can have a possible bounce up to the 8400 level. But if we dip below this 0.786 level here, then we can actually test newer lows. So let's go back up to Crypto AMD in the quick charts. So Crypto AMD, he's right here in blue. So again, if we go here, we test this 7152, which is the 0.786, we could actually go and see lower lows from 4 months ago, which is below the 5900 area. So that's Crypto AMD. And again, Financial Freedom, which was red, sees us going up to about 8500. A lot of resistances up there, and then finally he sees us going down eventually, end of June, going into July, strong wave 3, all the way down to 64.64. That's his view. So those are our three analysts. Make sure if you're trading, keep an eye on these price moves, the boxes that we could actually be going into. A few of our analysts are short-term bullish, going into this 83, 84, 8500 zone, possibly even up to 9,000. But just to even it out, we're talking $83 to $8,500. before a move down again. Thanks for joining me on a quick charts presentation, evening time Los Angeles, May 30th. If you're doing any of your own trading, please do your own due diligence, as there is always a risk of losing money, and any opinions from the analyst and from Coinsider is just strictly opinions and is not to be considered as financial advice. And thanks for joining me on another presentation, and I'll see you in the next quick charts.